Have you ever stopped to think about how truly ancient music is? It's more than just sounds, it's a fundamental thread woven through the tapestry of human history, deeply rooted in our shared past. Today, we're embarking on a whirlwind tour, tracing the incredible evolution of music from its earliest echoes in prehistory to the diverse soundscapes we enjoy today. Get ready to discover the major milestones that shaped our sonic world. Our journey begins in the Stone Age, where archaeological finds like the 43,000-year-old Djibouti flute suggest our ancestors crafted instruments from animal bones. Ancient civilizations in Egypt and Mesopotamia used music for rituals and storytelling, while the Greeks developed early theories on harmony and acoustics. The Middle Ages then saw the rise of monophonic Gregorian chants, slowly laying the groundwork for musical notation and more complex polyphony. The Renaissance period, from the 14th to 16th centuries, brought a resurgence of humanism and intricate polyphonic compositions, moving music from exclusively sacred to more secular settings with instruments like the lute. This paved the way for the dramatic and ornate Baroque era, exemplified by masters like Bach and Handel. This period saw the birth of opera, the establishment of major/minor tonality, and the emergence of the modern orchestra. Then came the classical era with its elegant structures and balanced forms, giving us the symphony and sonata from giants like Mozart and Beethoven. The Romantic period that followed embraced intense emotion and individualism, expanding orchestral forces and virtuosic demands. The 20th century exploded with innovation, the raw energy of jazz and blues, the rebellious spirit of rock and roll, and the technological revolution introducing electronic music, shaping the global sound we hear today. From ancient bone flutes to digital beats, music has constantly reinvented itself, reflecting humanity's deepest emotions and highest aspirations. It's a universal language, continuously evolving and connecting us across time and cultures. What's your favorite musical era or genre? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fascinating historical insights.